You sit down to finally get things done. Deep breath. You've got your to-do list. Coffee. Maybe even a bit of motivation. For a moment, everything feels in control. Then, ding! One notification. And before you realize it, you're already scrolling. One post. Then another. Then another. You blink. An hour is gone. You close the app. You stare at the screen. And a voice inside whispers, "What is wrong with me?" You weren't trying to waste time. You weren't even enjoying it. But something pulled you in. Like always. And now, you feel behind. Guilty. Ashamed. Like you failed again. You see, it's not your fault. Not fully. We live in a world that feeds off your attention. They don't want your peace. They want your engagement. So they design it all to hook you. The colors, the sounds, the endless scroll. And when you try to focus, your brain is already trained to chase noise, not silence. You try to read, but can't finish a page. You start a task, but stop halfway. You pick up your phone, without meaning to. You feel irritated, foggy, tired, and worst of all, you start to believe this is just who you are now. But listen to me carefully. You are not broken. You've just never been taught how to protect your attention. No one taught you how to sit still without escaping into distraction. No one showed you how to build your focus like a muscle. And that's what we're going to do, starting now. Here's how it begins. Not with deleting every app. Not with a perfect schedule. Just 10 minutes. Set a timer. Pick one thing. And for 10 minutes, stay with it. When your mind drifts, and it will, don't punish it. Breathe. And gently come back. That's it. Every time you return to the task, you strengthen the muscle. You don't need perfection. You just need practice. And slowly, you'll notice it. You finish things more often. You feel lighter. You stop dreading your own thoughts. Because you've trained your brain to stay, to trust, to be present. Every time you say, "No, I'll stay with this," you win. Every time you catch your hand before it opens that app, you win. Every time you show up for one task, you take back your power. Because that's what real focus is, not superhuman strength, but simple awareness and choosing to begin again. Here's the beautiful part. You won't feel it all at once, but one day you'll sit down and realize the fog isn't there. You'll feel calm, centered, not perfect, but present. And in that moment, you'll realize you didn't fix yourself. You reclaimed yourself. If this made something inside you pause, if you've been tired of feeling distracted, pulled, scattered, never quite here, then subscribe. But not for me, for you. Because this is just the beginning. You're not broken. You're not lazy. You're waking up. And every time you choose focus, you choose yourself. Let's do this together.